Freelancing can change your direction. Many people believe that making money online is a scam. They've seen fake promises. They've heard too many stories that didn't end well. But freelancing is different. Freelancing is real work done for real clients and paid with real money. Every day, people all over the world are getting hired for simple tasks: writing, designing, editing videos, managing social media, organizing files. Most freelancers don't start big. They start with small jobs, $5, $10. It may not look like much at first, but something important is happening. Skills are improving, confidence is growing, experience is adding up, and slowly, income increases. In 2026, freelancing is no longer just a side hustle. For many people, it has become their main source of income, not because they were lucky, not because they knew someone, but because they showed up consistently. You don't need permission to start. You don't need connections. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start where you are. Use what you have and stay consistent. Because freelancing doesn't just pay bills, it can change your direction.